Good morning, happy modelers. Today is September 10th. As you may or may not see, I'm actually working and model building simultaneously. Presently, we're in the process of doing the R2-D2. I've got one piece that I've gone ahead and primered up to go ahead and check. Found a few little flaws, but I think I'm going to leave them in because they are minor, and when you go ahead and paint it white, it's not going to show. I couldn't see these when they were white earlier, before the doing that. So let me show you what all I've got in prime so far. His center leg, and one of the packs that goes on the side of the leg. The outer two legs, that is. So these are pretty much dry, or they're dry to the touch anyways. Although I'm going to go ahead and keep them in a spot for drawing. I'm going to keep him on the forceps there. And if you've never seen him before, what I've got over there that they're hanging on, you see those two little red pieces there? They're actually paintbrush holders that go onto paint cans. You can get those on Amazon if you need to, but they've got magnets on the top and along the side, so you can go ahead and take things like the like those clamps on the forceps there, and you can go ahead and stick them on there, and they hold pretty nicely. So what am I doing now to go along with this? I'm also in the process of masking off some of the chrome pieces here. This area here that is still white, there, oops, I'll need to pick that one up, and on this guy here, which includes the center area of there, those need to be primered, sprayed then with the metallic silver that I've got, and then sprayed with the metallic blue, which I mentioned in the previous posting, and that'll give them the colors that they need on them. I still have to go ahead and do these guys here and here, so that means scraping out some of the center area. The very round center spot is not done. The area around that, before it starts going ahead and sloping back out, that's the part that needs to be scraped away, primered, painted. I made a mistake on this guy to go ahead and put these in first. I should have gone ahead and put them in after I painted them. Lesson learned. That's where we stand so far. Things are coming along. I still have not decided what I'm going to do with this. So, still unsure. Not quite sure how I'm going to go ahead and power this guy up, whether I'm going to go ahead and install a battery, but looking at the way the internal legs go, I don't think I'll be able to do that with a 9-volt anyways. So I may have to go ahead and run power leads, maybe do a metal strip on the legs, and then have the diorama so that way it's got a piece of metal that he stands on, possibly. Anyways, so that's where we stand right now. I'll be back later on in the day and show you what we've done. See you in, well, for you a moment, for me it will probably be multiple hours. Have fun. And we're back. Like I said, for you guys, just a couple of seconds. For me, it's been hours. Anyways, show you where I'm at right now. I've gone ahead, and this one leg had a lot more putting that had to be done. So it's been done. The side areas of R2 where the seams are, although there is no gap between them, it actually has a bump, and it's the plastic itself. So I'm trying to sand down this area of the seams, that way it is actually curved flat, if you will, instead of curved bump then curved. Hopefully that makes sense. I've gone ahead and liquid masked the inside areas here after I scribed off the chrome plating that for the area that needs to be painted. I've gone ahead on the top. I did go ahead and I took my Tamiya hand drill and I drilled in a hole so that way I can go ahead and feed the wires through, so that way I can go ahead and light up the headpiece. I've gone ahead and got some additional putty on this particular piece that goes on the leg, and ultimately will look like, come on, line up, come on, there we go. Ultimately go ahead and line up like that, and then there will be a chrome piece that goes across the front there. Let's see, I pulled off the other chrome pieces, and I've gone ahead and scratched out the areas that are supposed to be painted, and again went ahead and liquid masked off the area that's supposed to stay chrome. And also on these two guys here. So they're ready to be, once the masking dries thoroughly, and I've confirmed that, you know, there's not any extra, because it is liquid and does tend to, you know, gravity tends to pull it down a little bit. Pieces that I have managed to paint, and let's go ahead and they're not completely dry. Not necessarily completely dry, but one of the power packs, if you will, with its prime. The bottom skirt, where R2's leg goes in and out of, his little central eye, and also his back panel there. All have been primered. Completely dried at this point are his bottom leg, or middle leg, and the one outside leg. So the little guy is coming along. Tomorrow, let's see, I do presently have, I need to pull this out. Alright. I've gone ahead and cleaned R2's dome. And the reason for that is because it is opaque. I want to try to make it look more and more like the real dome. And the real dome is metallic blue for the blued out area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I will spray paint the inside of that metallic silver, and hopefully it'll give it the look that R2 has on his actual dome. So I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't really want to go ahead and mask off the dome on the top side and then paint it. I wanted to go ahead and try to give it a little bit more character, so I'm hoping that this will do the job. Anyway, so that's where I am as of today. I'm still working with the college right now. Presently, no one has shown up since 2 o'clock, so the past 20 minutes. It's been quiet. But, it's been a productive day. Got some stuff done on R2. I like it. Anyways, I'm going to have to break the anyways habit. I hope everyone is doing well in this time, and I wish everyone the best. Happy modeling, everyone. Take care. Hopefully we'll have another update maybe tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye, everyone.